As well. Now, the suspension of operations of a container freight station in Mombasa last evening by Kenya Revenue Authority sparked anger among its workers. KRA claims the facility had handled contraband goods in the last couple of days, but the organization feels the closure has been politically instigated. KTN's Francis Ontomwa reports.
The suspension of operations at Autoport Freight's Terminal Limited sparked uproar. Workers stranded for several hours as the main gates to the main yard remained locked. KRA penned a letter in what appears to be an effort to streamline what has been a problematic importation of contraband goods. Owners of this facility, however, read politics in the move.
Na kila kitu changu nategemea katika hii kampuni. Tunaelewa? Kwa ufupi, posted inasaidia watu wengi na inaangalia maslahi ya watu. Sasa mkisema leo hii mnafunga kampuni, tutakula wapi sisi?
KRA has suspended the facility's license to operate as a customs-bonded cargo handling facility with immediate effect. However, questions remain on how the whip will escape the Kenya Ports Authority, which has severally been blamed as a conduit, and the revenue body for failing to put checks and balances.
Watoto wanane mimi nao. Kwa hivyo mimi naomba KRA waje wachukue hao watoto wangu wakawale wao. Maana kama kazi wamefunga watafanya nini?
Wengi wanatupigia simu sasa, kwa nini mzigo wangu uko nje? Mshaona? Wengine mzigo wao uliingia jana, anataka kuutoa leo, pia ameshindwa kutoa mzigo wake.
Several container holding facilities have in the coast region been under the radar for handling contraband goods, but how Autoport was singled out is something that the owners claim is mischief.
Hatuwezi kuishi katika Kenya, mtu akilala uamuzi wa mtu mmoja huo utalalisha Kenya mzima. Hii Kenya ni ya watu wote.
Whoever has stopped this organization from releasing our cargo is losing taxes. Is not collecting taxes for the government.
For now, these workers will have to find alternative jobs as authorities grapple with this headache. Even as a cloud of uncertainty continues to hang at this particular container holding facility, the owners keep suspecting a political hand. Francis Ontomwa, KTN News, Mombasa.